So guys, Halloween is around the corner, and what plans do you have? Anything? I mean, what are we doing?
I wanted to go to a party.
I'm down for that, but let's do something scary. I mean, come on, it's Halloween.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so I heard there's a haunted house, probably like an hour away from here. The creepiest, like, scariest haunted house ever. And supposedly there's zombies there. I mean...
Zombies?
Really, man? Zombies?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Have you ever seen a zombie before?
Yeah, in movies.
Ever seen me before my coffee?
I'm gonna pull up a picture of a zombie, alright? Look at that.
Okay.
Okay, definitely.
Yeah, look, a zombie.
Those are zombies.
Yeah, but look at its hair. Its hair is jacked up. Seriously.
Only you would think about hair.
Yeah, seriously.
I mean,
what is it with you and hair?
I'm the salon guy. I mean, but here's my idea, right? We go to this haunted house, and we look and see if there's zombies. If there are, we ambush the zombies and give them makeovers. Right?
Okay.
Isn't that fun?
Sounds more fun than a party.
Yeah, I'm sold. Let's do it.
But
okay.
even if there aren't zombies, I mean, it's a haunted house. It's gonna be cool anyway.
Yeah.
But I want to do this tonight.
Let's do it.
High five.
Yep.
Road trip.
Definitely creepiest house I've ever seen.
Yeah, same.
Whoa.
Seriously, who lives here?
I don't know. I don't live here. That's for sure. I don't want to live here. Guys, I got a really bad feeling. Well, I am going to record this on my phone. I mean, this is too cool. Let me turn the flash on here.
Wait, ready?
Yeah, you guys.
Hello?
You going first.
Anyone home? Oh my god, you guys, this place is disgusting. Somebody needs to clean this.
Wow.
I haven't seen any zombies as
Zombies?
of now, but God, what's back here?
You can't even see out this window.
Back room. Well, I can tell you one thing. Thank God, there's no zombies here. I guess. Well,
Yeah, I would probably cry.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? No zombies. Still better than that house party.
You guys, there's somebody outside.
You gotta be kidding.
Oh my god.
Okay, we have to ambush that thing and get it in here. So.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
All right, we're gonna go from behind,
Okay.
and we're going to ambush it. And so you just kind of make some sounds.
Zombie. Zombie.
I'm gonna grab it from behind. All right, let's bring it in.
Come on. Here, sit it here.
That's the big zombie.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're doing this.
Yeah,
Hold it
seriously,
down.
hair?
I got him.
Steven?
I got him.
Really?
Look at it. I told you. Well, let me see.
I didn't know
See?
zombies were real.
Look at that. Looks better already.
Yeah, that does look a lot better. How do you do that?
Hey, it looks pretty good actually.
Yeah.
You're pretty good at this.
Now what do we do? We gotta get this thing out of here.
Well, there's a room back here.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, don't touch me.
Okay, come on, in. Watch that beautiful hair. Get.
All right, I'm showing you.
The coast looks clear, but I don't... Wait, no, there's another one.
Oh my God.
There's another one.
All right.
Oh my god. Zombie. Zombie. Come here, zombie. Come here. You guys, help me. Help me.
All right, got it. Back. Go into the chair. Sit.
This is a wild one.
God, that...
Let me see. What do you have?
Here.
Oh wow, this is really good stuff actually. Okay. Look at some spray here. Oh my God. All right. Cool, man.
All right.
She looks better. Let's go. Let's get her out of here.
Come on, get it. In.
Oh, watch your arm.
Oh my god, there are more.
What?
There are more zombies.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Zombie. Zombie.
Grab it. I got it. Oh.
Bring it in.
I should grab it by
Grab
the
it.
man bun. It's
Here.
got a man bun.
Here.
Oh, those
You have a knife? Oh my God. It's good stuff. This thing looks like it's ready for a makeover. That's amazing hair.
Damn.
All right, before it starts to feel better too.
Look at this.
I don't want to put my hand there, but. All right.
That looks
I feel
great.
like I can't take any more of this, man. We gotta get this thing back in our.
Here.
Get in. Oh, close.
Okay, we have to get out of here. I can't take this anymore.
We're screwed.
Halloween
We have to
isn't
go.
fun anymore.
At least the hair looks good, but I'm done with the hair.
Yeah,
We gotta
but
get
we're gonna get eaten by glamorous zombies.
You guys, there's more of them. There's a lot more of them.
What are we gonna do? We can't go in that room. Zombies.
How are we gonna go home?
I don't know. What do we do? Basem, they're everywhere.
Can't.
What?
They're everywhere.
Alright, let's try to barricade the entrance with this fridge. Hold on, I think, look at this, there's a rope. Here, pull. Give it a little pull. Let's go. Come on.
It looks like they're all gone, but we gotta get out of here, and I am not going to there. Maybe there's like a back door somewhere, but I don't know. Let's go through back here.